Close your eyes. Let your breath settle like soft rain over still water. Inhale gently and exhale slowly. Let yourself be held by the quiet. Now bring to mind someone in need of healing. It may be someone you love. It may be yourself. Let their image rest gently before you, as if cradled in light, and whisper, Na Rafa Na La. Please heal her. Feel the tenderness in Moshe's words, a brother's cry stripped of all pretense, a pure plea rising from the soul. Now listen inward, as if the universe responds. Ki ani Hashem Rofecha. For I am Hashem, your healer. Allow the words to enter you as a promise, not only spoken, but embedded in the very structure of reality. The same breath that calls out for healing is the breath through which healing comes. 418 meets 418. Plea meets promise. Earth meets heaven. Breathe this meeting into your heart and let the healing begin. Not just in body, but in soul, in trust, in return. Remain here a moment, enveloped in the light of divine compassion, until your whole being whispers, I believe in healing because I believe in you. And now, begin to return. Bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Notice the feeling of where you are seated, the support beneath you, the air around you. Take a deeper breath, and as you exhale, let your shoulders soften. Gently roll them back, inviting ease. Place one hand on your heart and the other on your belly. Feel the warmth of your own presence. You are here. You are held. You are healing. When you're ready, open your eyes. Let the light you touched remain with you. A quiet glow, a sacred echo that moves with you through the day. Thank you for joining me. May the healing continue, word by word, breath by breath, until all that is broken sings again.